Myclass.com.
Dear students, welcome back to myclass.com. Today our topic is Java IO Basics. How Java handles input and output to and from a program. Let's start. The main IO Basics concept of Java is streams. Stream is an abstraction that either produces or consumes information. How a Java program produces or consume information. That is the meaning of stream. A stream is linked to a physical device by the Java IO system. If there is a Java program, then that Java program is communicate to our IO system with the help of streams. Java implements stream within class hierarchies defined in java.io packages. There is a package java.io. Inside this package, lots of stream classes are there. So when we want inputting and outputting in the program, we are first import java.io packages. So inside the java.io packages, there are two type of streams, byte streams and character stream. So what is byte stream? Byte streams provide a convenient means for handling input and output of bytes. When we want to input a binary data or when we want to write a binary data to as an output, we are using byte stream concept. So there are lots of stream classes under byte stream. So with the help of these classes, we are handling input and output of bytes. Character streams provide a convenient means for handling input and output of characters. When we want to input or output characters to a program or from the program, we are using character stream concepts. So there are lots of classes in the character stream also. Let's see how it's work. So these are the list of different stream classes under byte stream classes. So byte stream classes in this hierarchy, first we can see that there are two abstract classes. So what is an abstract class? In abstract class, we can only find the name of variables and the name of the methods, not the implementation. The implementation of the method we can find in the abstract class we can see in the subclasses of that abstract class. So there are two abstract class in the byte stream hierarchy. First one is input stream class and second one is output stream class. Output stream class. Under input stream abstract class, loads of other classes are there. Under output stream, loads of other output stream subclasses are there. By creating object of these classes, we are handling input and output of a program, Java program. So these are the subclasses under the input stream and output stream abstract class. Buffered input stream. This is under our input stream class, that is buffered input. We can input buffered input. We want buffer type inputs. So we are using buffered input stream and buffered output stream when we want output, buffered output. These two are the most important stream class under byte stream classes. These are we are commonly used stream classes, byte stream classes, buffered input stream and buffered output stream. When we want to read a byte array, from a byte array we are using byte array input stream. If we want to write to a byte array, we are using byte array output stream. For any data type, we can use data input stream. An output stream that contains method for writing the Java standard data types. Any standard data type we can handle with a data output stream. Lots of classes are here. For a theoretical basis, we can memorize this stream classes for writing answers. File input stream. File input stream is for input stream that read from a file. File output stream that writes to a file. Filter input stream, that is for implementing input stream and output stream. There are Two classes, filter input stream and filter output stream. For pipe type data types, for input like pipe type values, we are used piped input stream and piped output stream. In the previous whole programs, already wrote like a system.out.print or system.out.println. This print and println methods are under print stream class. Okay, common stream class is buffered input stream and buffered output stream. Now we are going to see about character stream classes. The character stream classes, the abstract classes of the character stream classes are reader and writer. Reader for input and writer for output. Lots of other classes are there. Buffered reader. Buffered reader is buffered input character stream. Buffered writer for buffered output character stream. This buffered reader is very common stream class that we want to input character stream. Buffered writer for output the character stream. Here also for character array reader for input stream that read from a character array writer output stream that writes to a character array. File reader for handling, file reader and file writer for handling input and output from and to a file. Input stream that read from a file is for file reader, file writer is for output stream that writes to a file. The other classes under character streams are input stream reader, line number reader, input stream that counts lines, input stream reader that translates bytes to a character. This input stream class, input reader, that translates byte to a character. Piped reader is for input pipe, piped writer is for output pipe. For character printing and writing, print and println method is under print writer class. Reader is an abstract class. We also know writer is also abstract class that described character stream output. String reader is for string reading. String writer is for write to a string. Output stream that write to a string. These are the common classes under character stream. So abstract classes is reader and writer. Next is reading console input. How we can read a console input in a console program. Here I am going to explain two common ways to input the values. The first way is by using buffered reader character stream class. The syntax is buffered reader BR new buffered reader. Here we are passing input stream reader object to our buffered reader. So when we are creating this object, the constructor, parameterized constructor with one parameter of the object input stream reader. Input stream reader that is translate our byte value that we will see here. That translate byte to a character. Input stream reader. Input stream reader that. So we are passing input stream reader object. That is also come with the system.in object. So this is the syntax of buffered reader object creation. With this object, we can read the values by read method, int read method. That throws IO exception. If we are using this read, we want to throw IO exception. This is return the integer value of when we are inputting a character value, we want to type cast like a character. Which type is we want to convert? We want to typecast that character. Clear? The other very common use of input, reading console input is scanner class. Very, very important. Scanner class in Java. Scanner is a class in java.util package used for obtaining the input of the primitive types like int, double, etc. and string. It is the easiest way to read input in a Java program. That's why we are commonly using scanner class for reading console input. So how to create a scanner class object? Scanner, my object, new scanner, system.in. Okay, system.in. We are passing system.in when we are creating scanner class object. With this object, my object, we can call different method that is under our scanner class. There are different methods: next boolean, next byte, next double, next float, next in, next line, next long, and next short. The name itself describe the meaning. Next boolean reads a boolean value from the user. Next byte reads a byte value from the user. Next double reads a double value. Next float reads a float value. Next index reads an in value. For string value we are using next line. For long type, long, short type, next short as the. So this is the way, this is the two main way to reading console input in Java. Now we are going to explain writing console output. We have already created Java programs that contains writing output. The main statement is system.out.println. We all have familiar with this statement, system.out.println. Println or system.out.print. These two methods are under the class printStream. These methods are defined by the class printStream. There is also other way for there is a low level methods that is write. Write, and this write method is used to write the console output. Now I am going to explain a program with reading a console input by using BufferedReader class and also with the scanner class. So first I am going to explain the way of inputting the data by using BufferedReader class. So for that I want to import first our java.io package. After that I am going to declare a BufferedReader object. BufferedReader br equal to new BufferedReader that is coming with object of input stream reader that is coming with object of input stream class system.in. So that is the syntax of creating BufferedReader class object. After system.out.println, enter the value or enter the data. After that, let's see how a character value will input. For that, I want to declare one character variable and br.read. We have already explained that the read method is returning an integer value, so we want to convert that integer value into a character value, and also we want to throw IO exception. After that, we want to print the value. The value is C. Okay, let's see how it's work. Let's see Java C read input dot Java. Okay, no error. Here we are inputting only the character value Java read input T. The value is T. If I am entering lots of character but only one character is accepting, the value is J. Okay. So this is the way of using buffered reader class, when we want to enter a string value, then we can declare a string and we want to convert that into string, and we can use read line method. Let's see. Enter the value Java language. The value is Java language. Clear? So this is the way to accept a string. Now we'll see how a scanner class will work. Let's see how a scanner class will work. For scanner class, we want to import util.scanner package. Now I am creating the object of scanner class. Sc equal to new scanner, that is passing the object of input string class system.in. After that, system.out.println enter the string or enter the character, anything, enter the string. String s equal to sc dot, the method is next line. Okay, next line. Now system.out.println, we are printing the value. The string is S. The string is S. Okay. So this is the way we are creating a scanner object, scanner sc, new scanner, system.in. After that, when we want to input a string value, we can use next line. Loads of other methods are there that we have already discussed. Next byte, next boolean, next double, all are there. Then we can print that value. Let's see. Yes, there is no need of throws IO exception. Okay. Enter the string Java. The string is Java. The throws IO exception we have used when we are handled with the buffered reader class. If we are using buffered reader class for inputting the value, we want to throws IO exception. That was there is no need of throws IO exception. Clear? So hope it is clear now. Thank you.